Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and it's a good day today, man. Not only did Milwaukee just celebrate their new championship, but we just got the blue Yeti X in the mail, like not even that long ago. It's finally time for me to go ahead and upgrade my streaming setup, so y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and I'm hyped today, man. I think most of that hype comes from Milwaukee, to be honest with you. I can't even lie, but this makes it even better. So here's the thing, I already had a blue Yeti. I didn't even do a live stream with it or anything, but I had a blue Yeti for like maybe, a day or two, and then I got rid of it, the original blue Yeti, and then I wanted to upgrade. I was like, if I'm gonna upgrade, I better go upgrade like all the way up here to like the best I can, or not the best I can, but you know, it's pretty high quality. One of the best Yeti mics that Blue makes, and I'm just finding out that actually Logitech owns Blue. I didn't even know that. So yeah, we got the blue Yeti X, we got the professional USB microphone for gaming, streaming, and podcasting. And you know what, first off, we're gonna go ahead and take off this plastic wrapping here because we don't need this. As you can see, we got the blackout edition, so I think that's the only color they got for the blue Yeti X. But yeah, you can see the microphone here in the front, and then we got blue, and then we got Discord certified, so I don't really care for Discord. I don't use Discord. But on the right side, we just got some info here, and on the left side, we just got some more info here, so go and pause that and read it for yourself if you want. On the back, we got the ultimate mic for creating and streaming, so we got YouTube, of course, we got Discord, Twitch, and all that. At the top, we got Yeti X with blackout, and at the bottom, we just got info here like my serial number. So it looked like we got to go ahead and unbox this thing with my brand new unboxing knife. And now that I cut it open, let's go and check this thing out. Oh man, I am hyped for this microphone, man. It's time for me to finally upgrade what I got. And next up is the webcam, because I think I'm going to get me a Logitech webcam. So basically, I'm going to be all Logitech out. Nothing else inside the box, but let's go ahead and open this up now. So we need that knife again. Let's go and do this real quick. All we got to do is slice that open, and there we go. So we have looks like a user manual here. I'm definitely gonna need that, so let's go and throw that to the side real quick. We got a warranty and all that, but you know we do with that. We throw it to the side. Leave your user manual right here, because you'll see in a minute. It get kind of confusing. And then here we go. We got the blue Yeti X. Oh man, this microphone is gonna be a beast. So this is a USB microphone when I get this out of here. And just look at that base, man. That's shiny, and I already got the fingerprint on it, but that looks nice, man. As you can see here on the front, oh, like this thing looks nice, man. I am feeling this already so far. Especially when I get my new desk, this thing's gonna look dope on there. It looked like we got a cord up in here, which we do, and as you can see, this is actually micro USB to USB-A, so I'm not really feeling that. Honestly, I don't know when this Yeti X came out, so maybe it came out when we was using micro USB, but we need USB-C by now. But that's pretty much all you get inside the box, so let's go and throw that over there. And then here is our microphone, man. So we got the blue logo here. Obviously, you can see here it's getting a bunch of fingerprints already. And then you can see even here at the top, it looks like more refined than the original blue Yeti. And the blue Yeti from a while ago came out. Well, a while ago. I think it came out in like 2010 or something like that. It's 2021 now. But yeah, we got the blue logo, and then we get some LEDs here. You'll see in a second when I go ahead and plug this thing into my computer. And this is a button right here in the front with a knob you could turn around. On the back, you got your pattern here, and you got this button, which I think you can see these icons here, but they'll glow up once you plug it in. You just press onto that button, and then you can go ahead and get to the different options. So here's the thing about the Yeti X that I'm not really feeling so far over the original blue Yeti. These buttons are like nowhere near as clicky as the original blue Yeti. Maybe that's me nitpicking and being, you know, Latrell, but I don't even know what that means. But it just don't feel as premium as the original blue Yeti with the buttons anyway. I don't know. It's definitely more premium, but you know what I'm saying. But you can't see here at the bottom, we got our headphone jack, so you can go and plug in your headphones and hear yourself and hear the computer. And then you got your micro USB port. So on the original blue Yeti, it did have mini USB, which is an upgrade to micro USB, but it still need USB-C. But you know what I'm saying. Anyway, let's go ahead and check this thing out. I'll get back to y'all. I'm gonna go and plug this into my computer. So first off, I want to go and show y'all where I'm coming from. So as you can see here, I'll go and turn on my flashlight. We actually got a fee-fine microphone here. So for the price, it is good sounding, but it's not gonna be a $180 microphone. And then this is what the blue Yeti X is gonna look like on my current desk, even though, like I said, I'm getting a new desk, and that's gonna be black. I do wish for the price of this blue Yeti X that this did have one thing, which is this right here. It's a pop filter. It comes on the fee-fine mic, and we don't have anything here on my blue Yeti X. All I have is a pop filter that's, well, let me show you. This is my current pop filter. It's a Dragon Pad I got about like a year ago or so. I don't know why I decided I needed this, even though I already had a pop filter on the microphone already. But I prefer these types of pop filters more, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this, and then I'll just go ahead and get me another pop filter for my Blue Yeti X. I'm pretty sure you can find a pop filter for these things cheap on Amazon, but you know what I'm saying, for 180 bucks you think it would come with one. Alright, so we're currently in my kitchen here with my Blue Yeti X, and I got my laptop right here. Let me go and turn that on real quick. Now we can go ahead and plug this thing here into my Galaxy Book Flex, and as you can see right there, we already got the LED indicators right here on the Blue Yeti X. And as you can see here, it's setting up the Yeti X right now on my computer. So as you can see, there is an audio level right here in the front, which is dope. That's one main thing I wanted here, and that's what we got right here on the Blue Yeti X. Watch this. So it does react. So let me go and show y'all how you can use this now that I learned this. So if you want to go and turn up the gain or turn down the gain, this is the current setting that's on. You just go ahead and turn the knob right there, and you can see that the volume is adjusting. If you want to go and mute the microphone, all you gotta do is just press onto it and it's muted, and then you can go and press on again to turn it back on. Now if you want to go and change the level of your headphones, just press and hold on to this for 1 second, and as you can see, now it's on the headphones, so I can go and adjust that if I want to the lowest or the highest or whatever I want to do. And then check this out. If you want to go and blend this, just press and hold on to this again, and then there's the blend. So you can go ahead and choose more audio coming from your microphone or more audio coming into your headphones. So now if you want to go and blend it, you can go and just put it this way to get more audio from your microphone or get more audio from your computer. Honestly, this is a dope feature right here. I think I will just leave it in the middle more, but that's something I'm really feeling. Or maybe I'll just put it like this so I can hear more audio coming from my computer. And then once you're done with all that, you can just go ahead and put it back to normal by pressing and hold on to it for 1 second, and there you go. You can just see the levels again. So now you can go ahead and actually tell if you're peaking or not. So let me go and turn that down again, and as you can see, it's not really getting all the way up there anymore, but if I go and tap onto this really loudly, you can't see it's peaking if I were listening to it right now. But if I go and turn this around, we got some more things here. So we got the pattern. So the first one's going to be bi-directional, and that's basically when you're doing an interview with somebody and their audio is getting picked up on the other side of the microphone. So it's picking up audio from this side and this side right here. The second one we got here is omnidirectional. So that's picking up audio from all sides of the microphone. It don't matter. So it's just basically wherever audio is coming from, and as long as it's in the range of the microphone, then it's going to pick up the audio. So it don't matter if it's coming from the front or the back or the left or the right, no matter where, it's going to pick up audio. The third one we got right here is cardioid. So that's for somebody like me who's doing these YouTube live streams and I'm the only one talking. So it's only going to pick up audio coming from this side of the microphone. And then you got the last one, which is the stereo. So that picks up audio coming from the front, the left side, and the right side, but it don't pick up nothing from the back. So this is the sound coming from the Blue Yeti X right now. I ain't really get to play with the gain and all that yet, but I know it's crazy. Do I look like a real YouTuber now? Let me know in the comments below how y'all feeling about the sound on here. But it don't even end there. They even have an app that you can download for the Yeti X. You can download it for Windows and Mac OS, and it's called the Logitech G Hub, but it's just an app where you can really customize your microphone. We got Yeti X right here. If we go and click on it, we got a bunch of options here. So I can actually see my gain in real life. I can go and turn it up and down if I want to. I can go and change the polar pattern, enable blue voice, master output volume, and it's just a lot of different options. You can even change the LEDs on here. So if I want to, I could change the colors of when you have the microphone on and off. You could change the modes and the metering and the pattern. So let's say I wanted to change the color of the bi-directional. I can go ahead and change that to blue here from purple that I just changed it from. And as you'll see, now it is blue. Changing the color here in real time, and as you can see, it's a really dope feature. So I'm loving this. But honestly, y'all, that's where I'm gonna go and wrap it up for today because I have a lot to learn about it myself. So I will get back to y'all once I go ahead and get more of a review on this thing, probably a month later. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this, man. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. But go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Centik on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is where I'm most active. But let me go and wrap this up by saying shout out to the Milwaukee Bucks and Giannis and Holiday. All y'all killed it and y'all got the championship, so congrats. Shout out to Wisconsin. We out here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Dan, peace out.
This is a Juki Beat production.